Session we will discuss about number system. So a number system defines a set of values used to represent quantity. For example, number represents how many students are present in a class and price of a stock, etc. So we are familiar with the decimal number system, which includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 digits in a decimal number system, and every digit position has a weight which is power of 10. So let's take one example. If I want to represent 132, then how I will write it? 2 multiplied with 10 raised to the power 0, 3 multiplied with 10 raised to the power 1, and 1 multiplied with 10 raised to the power 2. So this is 100, and this is 30, and this is 2. So once I will add these three values, I will get 132. So base or radix is 10. So for decimal number system, the base or radix is 10. So we can say that base or radix of the number system is the total number of digits in that particular number system. So in decimal number system we have 10 digits, so the base for the decimal number system is 10. It is also called as radix. In general, a number is represented by a series of coefficients. So to distinguish between numbers of different bases, we enclose the coefficients in parentheses and write a subscript equal to the base used. Means this is the number written in the brackets and this is the subscript equal to the base used, and this number is represented in terms of coefficients. So a0 is 2, a1 is 3, and a2 is 1. In the similar way, this number 132.56, so this is the base 10, and this is 1, 3, 2. So a0, a1, a2, and after the decimal point, this is 5 and 6. So after the decimal point, means in the right hand side, the coefficients will become a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3, and so on. So number is expressed in a base or radix, that is called R system. The coefficients are multiplied by powers of R, where aj ranges from 0 to r minus 1. So if I am talking about base 10, it means the range will 0 to 9. Clear? And what I did in my previous example, I multiplied with base and the power of that. So this is, if I talk about the previous example, it is 10 raised to the power 0, it is 10 raised to the power r1 means 10 raised to the power 1, r2 means 10 raised to the power 2. And this is your a0 is 2, so 2 multiplied with 10 is to the power 0, and 3 multiplied with 10 is to the power 1, and 1 multiplied with 10 is to the power 2. So I will get 132. So this is the way how we write this in an equation form. So some of the important types of the number system are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, the base is 10 because the digits are 0 to 9. In binary, there are two digits, 0 or 1, so the base is 2. In octal, 0 to 7, and the base is 8. This is 0 to 7. This is 0 to 7. And in hexadecimal, 0 to 9, then A to F. So these are total 16. So the base is 16. So this is how we declare the bases. So in decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Decimal number system, digits are 0 to 9. So base is 10 because the total number of digits are here 10. If I want to represent 140 in a decimal number system, then 10 is to the power 0 multiplied with 0. This is the a0, then 10 raised to the power 1 multiplied with 4, this is a1, and then 10 raised to the power 2 multiplied with 1, this is a2, and I will get 100 plus 40 plus 0, this is 140. Now I have second example 140.49. So for 140 this is the similar. Now we are talking about 0.49. So in right hand side for the decimal point the powers are given in minus. So 10 is to the power 0. So after that in right hand side 10 is to the power minus 1, and this is your right hand side coefficient 4. Then 10 is to the power minus 2. This is your right hand side coefficient 9. So I will multiply and add, then I will get 140.49. So this is the representation in the decimal number system. Now we will talk about the binary number system. So digits are 0 and 1. So 2 digits are available in this system. So base is 2. Computer works with binary number system. So we are working with the computer, and computers are based on binary number system. Computers understand binary number systems. So bit either 0 or 1. So now understand it in this way that let the number of bits are 2. Number of bits are 2. Then the possible outcomes are, so we have digits 0 or digit 1. So if I say that number of bits are 2, so first bit it can take either value 1 or 0. Similarly the second bit can take value either 0 or 1. So now I am making the combinations. So the first combination is 0 0, similarly the second one is 0 1, the third one is 1 0, and the fourth one is 1 1. So I can say mathematically that there are 2 raised to the power 2 possible number of combinations are there. So it means I can convey 4 different information. So this is the code 0 0, this is the separate code 0 1, this is the separate code 1 0, this is the separate code 1 1, and each code has its meaning. So I can say that I can convey 4 different information. If I talking technically, then I can say that this information could be 4 different memory addresses. So there are 2 terms which are extensively used. Nibble, the number of bits are 4. If I have the combination of 4 bits, then it is called nibble. And byte, the number of bits are 8. If we have the combination of 8 bits, then it is called as a byte. So if we say 32-bit system, it means system can access how many addresses? 2 raised to the power 32 memory addresses. If it is a 64-bit system, then how many addresses? 2 raised to the power 64 memory addresses can be accessed. So example of a binary system 110.11. Now I am not calling it as a 110, I am calling it a 110.11. The base is 2. In any binary number, the rightmost digit is called least significant bit, and the leftmost digit is called most significant bit. So LSB and MSB, these are the 2 concepts. Now we are talking about octal number system. So digits which are available in this number system 0 to 7. So base is 8. So example of the octal number system 137.4, and the base is 8. So after 7 no digit is included here like 8 and 9. So 137.4, and the base is written here 8. Hexadecimal number system, what values are available? 0 to 9 and A to F. So base is 16. So 0 to 9 means after 9 10 is A, 11 is B, similarly 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. So example of hexadecimal number B65F, and the base is given here. So this is a hexadecimal number. So thank you very much for listening me carefully and sincerely. Thank you.